Okay, just sitting down to dinner, and this is what fast food looks like in Vietnam. Tofu with some meat, and banh cun, and
bún đậu mắm tôm.
bún đậu mắm tôm. Okay, phở.
Bún đậu mắm tôm.
Bún đậu mắm tôm. Okay. There you go. Says there. Bún đậu mét.
Bún đậu mẹt. Nêm bún đậu mẹt.
Okay. Anyway, so 45 VND each, so 90 VND. So I guess like $5.50 or $6. But that's what fast food is in Vietnam. But when you earn about 300 VND a day, 90 VND is still expensive fast food compared to most of the Western countries. Anyway, looks like good tucker, so I'm gonna enjoy a meal. And my wife's been working all day, so that's why no cooking tonight and fast food.